Oh, hello everyone. I'd like to invite you to the Dutton Farmhouse Historic Preservation Wall Rebuild on April 25th through 29th. It's a 5-day workshop. It's also offered in a 3-day if you can't make the whole party. Here is the downhill side of the 2 large square pillars that will be on either side of the center pile there with large 4x4 square caps. This leads back up to the house there. On the left-hand side, there's about 30 feet of freestanding wall that leads into some retaining wall that retains the roadbed of Dutton Farm Road. There's lots of great material here with great instruction by Jared Flynn and Brian Post, hopefully Seth Harris, and many other great Stone Trust visiting instructors. Here you can see on the right-hand side another large pillar, and then there's about 60 feet of freestanding curved wall that ties into like the 700 feet of wall. It's such a gorgeous site here with amazing views of Mount Monadnock to the east. Hopefully end of April, could be fun weather, but if you missed Martin Beaver's historic wall rebuild down in Nashville, Tennessee on April 8th, 9th, and 10th, come on up to Vermont to the Dutton Farmhouse, which is about a mile away from the Stone Trust, and have at this great project. Hope to see you there.